Hello to everybody. Today I will show you how to disassemble a Nanostation 2 or Nanostation 5 series. For the reason you need to open it. The only thing you will need to do is remove this sticker. Then there you can find two hidden screws. The best way to remove this sticker is using a knife. So we will try it. So the sticker can be used again. There is no damage. Now here are the two screws. We will take them off. So here's the first one. Here's the second. And now take with this part down. Now you are able to remove the electronic board, and now here you have the main cover, so you can clean it or remove the water or make some other repair to the electronics. So that's all. Thank you for watching.